So this is the beast that's going in the Cavalier. And for those who don't know, it's a 2.8 litre V6 turbo. In the Vectro, this came in three variants, the Z28NET, the Z28NEL, and the Z28NEH. Although this is a GM-derived engine, so it can be found in other cars, including the Saabs in Europe and some Cadillacs, amongst others, in the USA. This one, being the Z28NET, has around 250 horsepower, which will be plenty for the lightweight Cavalier. I'm quite excited for this video because I should be getting a timing kit for the engine, and the rotisserie for the actual car should be arriving today. So I'm going to get on with the timing kit first when that arrives, and then when the rotisserie arrives, which I think is coming later, we can get it onto that, and then we can really get some stuff going, hopefully in this video. So I've been on this a couple of hours now. I've started to strip down the bottom pulley. That was a bit of a pain in the arse to get off, and I know it's a massive job. This side, side isn't too bad because you can get to the top quite easily there. You just take the coil packs out, but this side is a bit more buried, so it's going to take quite a lot of taking things apart, and I'm just making sure that I do everything in the right order. Started taking loads of pictures and stuff like this. I've done chains before, but never on a V6. So I just got to make sure that I put everything down. And what I try to do is put everything down and put the bolts back. And I'll take lots of pictures on the way to help me put it back together again, I suppose. Getting through it slowly, taken a few bits and pieces off. There's quite a lot, actually quite a lot to take off. Inlet manifolds off, it's over there. There's quite a lot of wiring and stuff to unplug and take off, but we can just leave that sort of in place so we know where it goes back to. It's fairly simple. It's just nuts and bolts, and just got to work through it slowly, which I am doing. I'm not rushing this job because it's quite big. So we're just moving on to the second rocker cover now. Get the coils out of the second rocker cover. Some of that gubbins might have to come off. I'm not quite sure, but I think we're ready to take the first one off. So just that bit to go, and then we'll get the rocker covers off. Bits everywhere. This is fun. Nearly there. So the timing kit arrived. Let's see what we've got in here, because I've been watching videos on how to do it, and they change all the pulleys and everything like that. I don't think this kit comes with pulleys and stuff, but so yeah, we've got tensioners. Oh, got small. I think we have the smaller pulleys. Yep, these are the smaller pulleys. I'll show you in a moment. I don't think we get the cam ones. That's tensioner. Yes, guides, tensioners. We don't get the big cam pulleys, but we get literally everything else. So it's a pretty comprehensive kit. It's by FAI. I found FAI kits to be quite reasonable on other cars. I tried a BGA on one car, didn't like it, didn't fit very well, so I stuck with FIA. So let's crack on and see if I can get this all done. Never done a V6 before. Done timing chains before, but never a V6 before, so fingers crossed it goes well. So that is the timing chain all finished. These are the old bits, obviously. Like I said, it was quite a comprehensive kit. The only things that you don't get are these two bits, but that's absolutely fine. Get a new one of these. So the guide that I followed told me about putting the chains in the correct place. I haven't turned this over yet. It did not say anything about two-stage timing. I've watched a couple since. Granted, they are on the 3 litre or the 3.6, but the block is the same, and they've got what they call two-stage timing, where you time this one first, then you put the main chain on, and then you turn these round. You turn the oil this one round, so so the dot is on the other side, and apparently it's supposed to have, see that dot there, that lines up with that one, and then when you do the second stage timing, there's supposed to be another. My microphone went funny then. So yeah, like I was saying, there's a dot there, but then on the other video there's supposed to be a dot there, so I'm assuming I don't need to do two-stage timing, but I'm going to leave it as it is for now, because I just want to check with a few people. So if you've got any ideas, drop it in the comments. But I'm going to check with a few people, make sure I've got that right before I start turning things over. So that is it for this week. Unfortunately, no rotisserie this week, which I'm a bit annoyed about, but hopefully that will come next week. Should be able to get that up on it next week. And remember, if you want to be part of the old free car thing, then all you need to do is like and subscribe. I need to get past that 1k for to get onto doing a free car. Anyway, that's it for this week. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe and all that stuff, and I will see you in the next one next week.